Hello guys, this is Luben Johnson for Luben TV. Guys, and if you are new to my channel, this is what I do. I build bikes like BMX Cub, street Cub, trikes, cripple bike, jet bike, go-kart, squad. So if you want to build bikes like this, you want to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys. This is Chin Chen, and this is like Honda Wave. All the Honda Wave and all this 110cc, this method is gonna work if you are using a 110cc. They are all gonna work in 110cc, okay? All the 110 engine, this method I want to show you right now gonna work. So guys, you have to stick around and watch this video to the end, guys. Okay guys, today we are gonna be doing the engine of the Honda Wave. We are gonna be fixing up the gears, right? This gear, the gears has problem like this one. Very one is the gear 2 that have problem, but if you have a problem with gear 3, gear 4, any gear is all the same. Sometimes when you select gear 1, you'll be fine, but when you go like gear 2, then you start hearing some noise and it will not be going. So I want to show you how to fix that, guys. Okay, so without further ado, now let's do that. So guys, now this is the engine and this is the gears. So what you want to be thinking twice in this thing I'm about to teach you right now, because you see this is the gear system, right? Those are the gears, right? So what you want to be doing right now is to check when you piece the engine. First thing first, you have to check these gears, check the teeth. Like this, in this case, you see this one have no problem with the teeth. The teeth has no problem. That's all. That's fine. Okay, this one have no problem with the teeth. That's good. You wanna keep that away and check this one too. All the teeth. Sometimes you're gonna see them. The teeth gonna cut right there. You're gonna see sometimes you're gonna find out that the teeth, one of the teeth is cutting. Then if you have find out that this teeth cut, you have to change the very sprocket that cut the teeth, and then the problem gonna solve. You're gonna check. But in this case, this one don't cut any teeth. Look at them. All the gears teeth are fine. All the sprockets are fine. So if the sprocket cut, you want to change the exactly sprocket that cut and replace it, and that will be fine. But some cases you find out that there is no missing of the sprocket teeth and all the sprockets are fine and you don't know what to do. Let me tell you what right now, guys. All you want to do is very simple. All you want to do is this. You want to change the gear drum, right, guys? This is the problem, guys. You want to put that to trash, guys, and then you're gonna replace that, and boom, the problem gonna solve, guys. So try this, guys. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys. So have a nice day, guys.